Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about NVL slash Nuvola Digital. So if you guys get something out of this, smash a like button, subscribe, and comment what suit color should the Moose wear at Rare Evo. By the way, if you're watching this video right now, I am most likely already at Rare Evo in Vegas. So guys, comment whatever questions you have and what you would like to see going forward on the channel as well. Okay, so we're going to be talking about Rare Evo for a split second. So I will be attending Rare Evo. If you guys want to know a little bit of what's going on at Rare Evo, at the end of the day, this is a big blockchain event. RFK will be there. Charles, Crypto Crow, some top projects like Corniopia's, projects we've gone over. They're going to be attending. So yeah, I'm probably out there right now. Today's Thursday. I'll be out there tomorrow morning in Vegas. So that'll be cool. So let's dive into this. We're going to be talking about NVL, and I want to go over why I believe this has a 10x opportunity. So nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You are listening to a moose, Crypto Moose, okay? So while I do have some good picks every now and again, and I will be meeting with the team, so shout out, Raul. I've already done a great interview with you. I thought he did a great job. But what I want to do is talk about opportunities. So this is a new project. They have formed tons of partnerships that they did not have just even a couple months ago. The token price is still very cheap. So we're going to have to bring that up, right? Actually, if we go to CoinGecko, we can find that pretty easily. So Nuvola is a DePin aggregator. And basically what they do is they partner with other projects. They run their nodes. So they run the hardware / software side of things. And instead of you having to run nodes, they can do that for you. All you have to do is pick up the NVL token, stake it, and you earn some of those rewards. So instead of investing in real estate per se, you could just invest in a REIT. So the REIT, they will manage the properties and you will earn some of the funds. So it's kind of like an index, really, of crypto. So it's Nuvola Digital, NVL. Yeah, I do own a little bit of this. I'll share with you my staking, kind of what's going on. We'll talk about the partnerships. But at the end of the day, I mean, you're talking about something that, let's call it a 15 mil market cap, which it's not even at. Something like this, compared to Iagon, other projects that are in similar territory, this is very undervalued. A 10x would bring it to even a low number. So if we go to a bull run, this could be a 50x. It's just the way it is. So if you guys use the link tree, by the way, go under staking. Okay, Nuvola, NVL staking. So I got quick links for you all. And I should have a wallet connected here, just to give you an idea. So if you own NVL, and I've done videos on this, guys. If you guys go to the channel, type in NVL staking or Nuvola. Okay, how to stake NVL tutorial. I've got this. Hey, look at the moose being all sassy here. What's going on? I've also done an interview with the CEO, Raul. So a lot going on, guys. So tons of partnerships, and this is a way that you can get exposure to new, projects. You can get exposure to a wide range of projects just by owning one token, and it's very simple. So look at the partnerships. We're excited to announce this was just a day ago, yesterday. Our strategic partnership with World Mobile Team, we've acquired 1 Apex and 5 Link nodes. So instead of you having to pick up these expensive nodes, some of these are expensive, right? So to pick up 100 Copy nodes, it's not very easy. It's expensive, right? So they'll do this and run it on your behalf. So even taking a look at Rare Evo, guys, this project is getting a lot of exposure. So that's where the Nuvola booth will be. I believe they might be speaking at Rare Evo as well. So even Crow, he bought 5,000 tokens. Just that's to one up the moose. What's going on there? Double XP. So you get like a little boost in XP points for Nuvola. So Sync AI. There's Raul, crushing it. World Mobile, Nuvola. This is the big one. This is the big partnership here. World Mobile helping out connecting the unconnected. I like this a lot though, guys. We'll get into the roadmap as well. And comment down below, like, what do you think about NVL? Have they hit your expectations? Have they exceeded? Have they fallen short? What's your opinion? In my opinion, they've done an incredible job. I mean, in what's cool here is you got the Copy ones that are active. Corniopia has crushed it, by the way, guys. Guys, let me share with you this. There you go. Copy staking. No, it wouldn't be that one. It'd be under NFT. So, by the way, Cornucopia's AAA level game, incredible team. They have this whole node managing platform, and it looks incredible. So I picked up 8 nodes a while ago. Great move. As Trump would say, just an incredible move. Just incredible. Sleepy Joe would have fall asleep at the wheel, but the moose got in. So rewards, guys, look at this. Look at the rewards the moose is getting here. So all you have to do is register your nodes. Very simple, like the click of a button. Just waiting on the internet here. But the rewards that you get just by registering is pretty sweet. So very seamless, very straightforward. So they have rewards updated up until the 13th of August. So I've been staking 8 nodes for just over a month, and I have 3,400 Copy and rewards. So this is going to give me potentially 20 or 30,000 Copy rewards. So NVL has 110 nodes, I believe, registered. So instead of having to pick up a node if you can't afford one, pick up some NVL. Do some staking. Here's the dashboard. Again, use the link tree, guys. I got quick links for you. Epoch calendar. If you want to know when the next epoch is, when you're getting that nice, sexy, royalty, you got the links for it. So I'm helping you guys out as much as I can with this. Here's an example. So nodes sold 9,400. I believe 77. I think that's accurate as to what's already out there. Let's say a couple more sell or the team gets to 10,000. Let's say 80% is staked. If you own 8 nodes, so I'm going to be getting roughly 26,000 Copy per year. And it makes sense. I'm already seeing like almost like 2,200 per month. So it's like 70 per day. Yeah, I'm earning 70 per day. 9.9 times 8. So like almost 80 per day. So guys, comment down below if you've been staking your Copy nodes. I know there's an NVL video, but their partnership is there. So let's keep this going. So here's the website. Let's take a look at the roadmap. So we've gone over what it is. And again, Nuvola Digital is a network expansion protocol engaging with decentralized storage, computing, addressing a critical gap. Basically, they partner with projects and they can help facilitate some of the staking, a little bit of like running nodes, doing the hardware software side of things. So DePin aggregator. And look at the roadmap. And they have been crushing it. They've been hitting all these marks. Partnership 1, Igon. That was huge. Huge. Connect Dex Hunter, right? Orcvax. Like, guys, this is so cool. And I remember the staking was open. It worked flawlessly. Beta testing. I'll probably get to try out this NVL drive. So it's Nuvola Drive. It's in the beta right now, but attending Rare Evo, I should get my hands on that. So I'll let you guys know what that will be like. So quick little price prediction to go along with this video. Might as well get loose on it. If we take a look here, yeah, this is simple. I mean, I have 10X basically in the title, I believe. That's what I'll have. 130 mil market cap, that's nothing. This is potentially a 25, 50X pretty easily. So, you're talking about, let's do simple math. Let's say 20X. I don't even know, what's that? 14 bucks, 13, 14 bucks. Like, it says 60 cents. So that's what I think. I think we get to 14, 15 bucks in a bull run, probably 2025. That's the Moose's assessment. Guys, check out the link tree. And if you want, you can pick up a hardware wallet. Guys, pick up a Tangent, pick up a Trezor. I got Trezors. I got all of the Trezors. Moose getting loose. I got all the ledgers. I got all the Tangents. Look at that. Moose getting loose, baby. So with that being said, guys, save 10% off your Tangem and up to 25% off other wallets except for the Trezor. So you do not save anything. And I don't want to hear in the comments how I told you you could save something, but you can't. You can also, guys, pre-order the Tangem ring. Let's get married to crypto. Cheers.